Yeah, the main reason for me choosing to change this kadai is, see, this is the aluminum kadai, and you can see the thickness. The thickness is very very thin, and I'm facing problems like the food what we roast or the food what we cook here in this kadai, it is getting yeah, what we can say, whatever we fry some food in this or the seasoning in this is getting roasted more than preferred. I am not getting the exact word, but due to this very thin base of this iron kadai, not aluminum kadai, I am not satisfied with what the food which is being cooked here. So I want to change this kadai to a stainless steel and very thick base kadai which is of high weight, so that the cooking would be properly roasted. So that's the reason I'm going for that. So let us check the details of that on the online stores. Yeah, see here, this is the live example. Even before the food is cooked, it is very sticky at the bottom, and the color is changed to black if you observe. See here. So that's the reason, very reason. I just want to have the proper cooking kitchen utensil, which is, maybe I have three options. Out of three, I going to buy one thing, and when the product gets delivered to me, I'll be unboxing, and after 2 to 3 months, maybe I'll doing a review video on that. So please do comment which kitchen utensil for cooking is the best one you are being using, so that that would be a great help for the users like me.